everyone, it's Poonam. I'm sorry I've caused this tear and I'm sorry to those whom I've hurt. My intention? To shock everyone into the conversation that we are not talking enough about, which is cervical cancer. Yes, I faked my demise. Extreme, I know. But suddenly we all are talking about cervical cancer, aren't we? It's a disease that silently takes your life. And this disease needed the spotlight urgently. I'm proud of what my death news has been able to achieve. And for those who have questions for me, I will see you live on Hot to Fly.
रोजच्या घडामोडी पाहण्यासाठी राजकीय दर्शन न्यूज चॅनल सबस्क्राइब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन दाबायला मुळीच विसरू नका.